Hi, this is Debbie from Organic Oasis in Northern California, Zone 9B. Today I'm making enchiladas using my organically grown tomatoes and my home canned enchilada sauce. I have a video showing how to make this. But today I'm going to make the enchiladas using this sauce. I'm also going to throw in some of these peppers, which I grew in my organic garden and also canned. They're pickled peppers, but I'm going to throw those into the mix. I just have some Trader Joe's Mexican style shredded cheese. Also Trader Joe's sprouted flourless tortillas. And why I decided to make this is last night I did a chicken, in the crock pot I put a chicken spaghetti pasta dish. And basically that recipe was 2 chicken breasts with a lot of seasonings and spices, and then I had canned spaghetti sauce with our homegrown organic tomatoes that Tomato Tim grows. And I threw a can of my canned spaghetti sauce in, and it was delicious, but I had all this chicken left over, this shredded chicken. So I decided to use this for the enchiladas. So I'm gonna show you how I make this. After I put it together in a casserole dish, I'm just gonna cover it with a piece of foil, and it goes in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. And then 20 to 30 minutes, and then you remove the foil and sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top, and then when the cheese is melted, it is ready to eat. They're very easy to make, delicious. You don't have to use the peppers. I just decided to. You can put olives in it if you like. Anyway, I thought it would be fun to try this recipe using some of our canned enchilada sauce. So if you also can like me, this will be an easy recipe. If you don't can, you can also make this recipe using, a store-bought enchilada sauce. It may not be as good, but you can still make it. Thanks for following along. Okay, pour a little bit of your enchilada sauce on the bottom. So I only have 6 tortillas, so I'm gonna use all of this chicken in the 6 tortillas. If I run out, I'll just put cheese in instead. So what I'm gonna do, bunch of chicken. These are very simple enchiladas. It's really the sauce that makes it great and special. And also my chicken, again, is seasoned. It was cooked all day yesterday with my spaghetti sauce, so it has a lot of flavor. As you can see, I am not a fancy cooker. I do things as simple as possible. running out of chicken, so I'm just going to use a lot more cheese. You put the rest of the chicken in here. And this will be more like a cheese enchilada. Squeeze it in here. Okay. I use my whole pint of my enchilada sauce. I use my hands a lot to save utensils, and I'm a hands-on cooker. Okay, now I'm gonna put cheese on top. You can put more on after. A lot of times, because of the foil, the cheese will stick to the foil. So you can, when you take the foil off, you can always add more cheese. And then I'm just gonna take my pickled peppers, make sure they're strained. And I'm just gonna sprinkle these on top like this. These are from my garden, organically grown. There's a few spicy ones in here. Beautiful. Now, cover with foil.
"20 minutes has gone by and I just pulled off the foil. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna keep it in another 20 minutes on 350.
Yum, they look delicious, don't they? Mmm. So the enchiladas are done. You can take some of the extra sauce and pour it over the top. You can sprinkle cheese. You can put guacamole, olives, more peppers, sour cream, whatever you like. But I can tell you right now, these will be absolutely delicious.